Hello, my automotive data nerds. Today I'm going to quickly touch on PIES, but not this type of pie. I think we all can agree that there are certain things that you have to use in an apple pie to qualify as an apple pie. Beyond that, we all have the secret ingredients that we like to add to our favorite apple pie recipe. PIES standard is very much the same. PIES is the Product Information Exchange Standard. It is how I say exchange in bold letters. It is how we exchange product data between the industry. What it is not governance of the data in the exchange. I forgot my cool glasses. Think of it like this. An apple pie has to have core ingredients for you to qualify and say that it's an apple pie, right? So some of these are out of the gate. Pie crust, right? Apples, sugar, because nobody really likes a non-sweet pie unless it's something else, and butter. I'm in the South, let's be real. The same thing goes with the PIES standard. It establishes the essential data necessary for us to exchange product data. These could include part numbers, product descriptions, attributes, and maybe some digital assets. I know, it's kind of crazy. But just like every baker may add their own special ingredients and spices to make their favorite apple pie, suppliers will also add additional assets and attributes to their products to help them stand out in this competitive market. This could be additional data such as specifications, compatibility information, ACEs, videos, SEO-friendly titles. Everything that we basically say is that marketing fluff that the e-commerce needs is that those additional special ingredients that suppliers feel makes their product stand out or their pie. In the world of product data, different manufacturers, distributors, and receivers may have their own special recipes of how they want their apple pie made and how they're making their apple pie. The preferences of how they want that in product information can vary based on who is consuming it. At least that's the landscape we live in today. Now, imagine if every baker or supplier uses their own recipe for their apple pie. This results in countless variations of PIES files. Similarly, in the world of product data, manufacturers, receivers, and retailers may have their own special requirements and specifications or recipes of how they want their data structured and then how that data is then displayed. So despite the flexibility of the PIES standard, the PIES standard serves as a common language or framework of how we exchange product information across the automotive industry. It ensures that regardless of the recipe you choose to use, everyone involved can still understand and work with the data effectively. So long story short, from my very own kitchen where I do a lot of baking, while we all have our own special recipe for our special apple pies, the PIES standard helps ensure that no matter how we slice it, we are all speaking the same language and it comes to sharing product information in the auto care industry. So let's keep baking those data pies and driving innovation in the auto care industry.